Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize buttons mapping on Logitech G923. And to do this, first you will need to download Logitech G Hub on your PC. You can find it on their official website. Now click on the gear icon, not gear icon, just click on your wheel that is detected right here. And that way you'll enter the settings. We can click on assignments, and here you can see all of the buttons that you can map onto your wheel. There's commands, keys, actions, macros, and system. So for example, let's map the Ctrl+C to gear down, and what we need to do is to click and hold Ctrl+C and simply drag it down to gear down, and it will change to this function. Now you don't need to save it anywhere, just go back and the settings will be applied, and this goes to every other button that is visible right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.